Honey.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're here from Instagram, welcome for the first time. Today is Tutorial Tuesday, so I'm splitting my time between Instagram and YouTube. So to get the details on this eye look, head over to my IGTV. First things up is my eyebrows. I'm using my MLM Beauty chocolate chip brow pencil to outline my brows, and then I'm going to use the Crayon Case eyebrow pomade to fill them in. The concealer I'm using to cover my brows is the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Butterscotch. And I'm using the Morphe M432 brush to carve them out. I'm using the Oh So Simple water cream from Crease Beauty and Touch and Sol Glassy primer to moisturize and prime my skin. I'm also going to use the e.l.f. priming putty around my nose and on my cheeks because that's where I have the most problem with my foundation settling. The foundation I'm using today is Urban Decay Naked Skin for the win. It's definitely, as you guys know, my favorite foundation. To blend out my foundation, I'm using my Real Techniques Instapop cheek brush, which is my go-to to blend out foundations. I go between the face brush and the cheek brush to, you know, get that flawless look. I'm using my Black Radiance foundation stick in the shade Espresso to contour, and I have gotten in the habit of spraying setting spray on my face before blending out my concealer. I don't know what it is. I've seen Jackie Aina doing it, and it actually spreads the foundation a little bit better. And the brush I'm using to blend out my concealer is the Real Techniques setting brush. I'm also using the Real Techniques setting brush to apply my setting powder. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal setting powder. It is amazing. I'm using medium translucent. It's the perfect setting powder. Like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light. Lining my lips with my ColourPop BFF3 liner and applying some matte lipstick. This is Beauty Marked in Amsara. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. To the middle of my lips. And that's it. Hopefully you like this tutorial. Make sure you head over to my IGTV to see how I got this glitter cut crease. It's super detailed so you guys can follow along. And I'll see you guys next time.
Got Tim's hoe, Silkies, got beef and broccoli, got tracksuits, Rock Lee, got swipes hoe, not me, birds in the trap line, birds on the phone, birds in the coop with that hookah and Patron, birds in the trap line, birds in the phone, bitch I'm a bird.